Woods versus LVNV. New Fair Credit Reporting case out of the Seventh Circuit. Hey guys, this is Bill Clanton, consumer protection attorney. I sue credit reporting agencies, debt collectors, background check companies. All right, so today we're talking about a new case out of the Seventh Circuit. This was came out on February 28th, 2020. So it involves a Kevin Woods. Kevin, apparently somebody took out a credit card in Kevin Woods' name, used it once to buy a flight on American Airlines. It was an American Airlines card. Somebody bought a one-way ticket on American Airlines, took the flight, and then nothing happened. The card was issued to another address, not Kevin Woods' address, but it was issued in his name to another address. And so he never received any statements about the card. He never knew about it, never knew anybody took it out until he started getting debt collection letters and calls from LVNV, or Resurgent Capital. They're the same entity. They've got a bunch of different names, Sherman and some others. But anyways, LVNV. Okay, so March 18th, 2018, the account was opened. There was one charge, one-way flight. Resurgent sent Woods letters on May 1, and it contained a financial statement and had an address that never belonged to Woods. Woods went to disputed it with Resurgent to no effect. Resurgent sent him a letter asking for more information, and Woods didn't reply to that. Woods went to American Airlines and asked them to do an investigation. American Airlines came back saying that they thought it belonged to Woods, which is really that's probably the worst thing that happened to Woods, was this American Airlines thing. He went to the police department and got a police report for identity theft, which if you suspect identity theft, you should go to the police department and make a police report. He disputed it with the credit bureaus. It was verified by LVNV, who then asked for more information. Woods then filed the lawsuit. Okay, so Resurgent seems to argue in the case that Woods could have tracked down the identity thief, persuaded him to sit for a deposition, and hoped he did not invoke his Fifth Amendment right to say whether he bought the flight for a consumer debt or a business debt. And the thing about this is that LVNV was trying to shift the burden to do the dispute or to investigate the dispute onto Woods. And the court said, no way. He said those words, no way can you shift the burden. It says, we think it implausible for Congress in drafting a consumer protection statute that would send consumers on a wild goose chase. Here, and I'm talking about the nature of the debt at this point in the case, the nature of the disputed debt permits a reasonable inference it was undertaken for consumer-based purposes. And then the court goes into the Fair Credit investigation. And the pertinent question, they say, is whether the furnishers' procedures were reasonable in light of what it learned about the nature of the dispute from a description in the CRA's notice of dispute. If you've seen my other videos, you know that the credit reporting agencies are required to send a notice of dispute to the furnisher with your information in it. The information you send to the bureau has to go to the furnisher. And so, because of this American Airlines statement that they believed that Woods had opened it and it had not been opened fraudulently, the court said that it cannot say that Resurgent's investigation or LVNV's investigation was unreasonable. But a word to the wise, this opinion is no license for furnishers to offload their investigation obligations to consumers by spamming them for requests for additional information. So the court does not open a door saying that the furnishers could keep asking you for more information and delay and prolong the dispute process. That's where a lot of folks in those types of situations just give up. You know, they can keep asking for more information, like a QWR type thing. They can ask you for more information. They can't do that. And this case makes that clear, the Seventh Circuit case. It didn't work out for Mr. Woods like we'd hoped it would, but it also didn't open a door, didn't create bad law for consumers. All right, guys. If there's an important case out there that you think I need to investigate or do a video on, please let me know. Give me your thoughts on this case in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe so we can reach more people. And thank you for watching.